homeless or naked?
A really sad day if a turtle lost his shell. That sucks. That's like not just homeless, it's naked too. And how would you feel if you were naked and homeless? Not very good. It'll be the worst day ever. That poor turtle.
Alright, next question, Claire.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm such a huge fan. What inspires you every day to face daily insecurities?
You know what? I do a lot of help stuff. I don't know. I work out every day. Well, almost every day. I work out like 6 times a week, and I try to eat as healthy as possible. And that just naturally makes me feel better, like mentally, physically, everything. And then when faced with insecurities, just like all of you guys get sometimes, we're human, ladies. I pray, I meditate. I just rely on the people around me and your support on Twitter.
Sal?
Hey, Demi.
Hi.
I'm a huge fan. Lost my voice already.
One,
if you were not a singer, what would your career choice be? And do you go to prom with me?
oh my God, I would love to.
Okay, well, I guess you're going with me. So.
Okay, cool. My career choice, when I was a kid, I really wanted to be a chief meteorologist. Like on the news when they find out about the weather and they tell you what's gonna happen. What? These guys are crying. Exactly. I really wanted to do that because I was really fascinated with weather, and then I grew up and knew that I'm not smart enough to do that. So, if I wasn't a singer, I'd probably be somewhere in the industry, like songwriting.
She'd make it be.
Well, first off, hi.
Hi.
And I'm a huge Hunger Games fan. I just have to know if you read the books.
I read all 3 books.
I think we can be great friends then.
Yes.
All right, last question, Beta.
Hi, Debbie.
Hi.
So my question is, if your house was on fire and you could only rescue 3 things, what 3 things would you rescue and why?
My 3 dogs. I have 4.
Not saying your house should ever be on fire, but just saying.
My 3 favorite dogs. No, I'm just kidding. One of them is my aunt, so she can grab that. I have my blankie from when I was like a baby, and it's the oldest thing that I own, I think, of my own. So I'd probably grab that. I think it still has boogers on it though. Okay, thank